आई क्रिएटेड माई चैनल। मैंने महीनों तक कंटेंट डाला, तो पैसा तो दूर की बात है भाई, लाइक सब्सक्राइब भी नहीं आता था। इट वाज रियली बैड फॉर मी। द ओनली थिंग इन माई हेड वाज कि मेरे को अपस्किल करना है, आई वांट टू लर्न अराउंड डिजिटल मार्केटिंग। ऑल ऑफ द डिलेमा दैट आई हैड इन माई पास्ट with regards to doing a business or digital marketing, I think I made a right choice there. Hi, my name is Piyush. I was born in a business family जहाँ पे it's unsaid rule कि you later go and join the business, क्योंकि भैया थे, भैया has to do it, पापा ने ऑलरेडी किया है दादाजी के साथ, तो it was always there कि आपको बिजनेस जाके करना है आगे। सो ड्यूरिंग माई टीनेजर्स आई वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस टू यूट्यूब। मैं यूट्यूब पे जाके सीखता था बहुत कुछ, बिकॉज इंटरनेट वॉज समथिंग वेयर आई वॉज लर्निंग अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स। वाइल डूइंग दिस आई केम अक्रॉस द कॉन्टेंट फॉर द क्रिएटर्स लाइक भुवन, आशीष चंचलानी एंड प्राजक्ता, एंड आई स्टार्टेड कंज्यूमिंग अ लॉट। ठीक है, मैं घंटों उनके साथ ही बैठा रहता था, उनको देखता था, रिलेट करता था, हंसता था। बट देन जब मैं ऐसा सीख रहा था ना, मेरे को एक जगह पता चला कि यार यूट्यूब पैसा देता है इनको। ठीक है, क्रिएटर्स को पैसा मिलता है यूट्यूब पे कंटेंट डालने के लिए। देन आई वाज लाइक यार मैं भी कर लेता हूँ, क्या ही दिक्कत है, बैठ के कमाना है। सो आई क्रिएटेड माई चैनल। ठीक है, मैंने चैनल क्रिएट किया, मैंने कंटेंट डाला, मैंने सब चीज़ किया, मैंने महीनों तक कंटेंट डाला। तो पैसा तो दूर की बात है भाई, लाइक सब्सक्राइब भी नहीं आता था। इट वाज रियली बैड फॉर मी। एवरीथिंग व्हाट आई वाज डूइंग फेल्ट कि यार इट्स नॉट वर्किंग आउट। I loved this field so much कि I just want to be in it all the time. I wanted to create content, I wanted to put pictures, I wanted to be around social media all the time. But this was not getting me any result, and that was something which was pulling me very down. But then while everything was this going on, okay, I was at an age where I need to take a decision. Either I choose the thing I love the most or my family business, and that pressure was on me क्योंकि they were looking up to me कि यार तेरे को करना है। ठीक है, यू एज अ सन यू नीड टू गेट इन टू द बिजनेस नाउ। क्योंकि ये डिलेमा मेरे लिए बहुत सीरियस था, क्योंकि आई नीड टू पिक द थिंग विच आई लव द मोस्ट और वॉट माई पेरेंट्स आर आस्किंग मी टू डू। आई हैड टू गो एंड आस्क माई पेरेंट्स फॉर सम टाइम। दे वर नॉट हैप्पी अबाउट इट कि माई सन इज़ नॉट जॉइनिंग द बिजनेस राइट नाउ, बट eventually I had to take the leap of the faith. I wanted to look for a structured learning program for myself, and that is when I stumbled upon the course for My Captain Digital Marketing Pro course. So when I bought the course and I wanted to join in, the only thing in my head was कि मेरे को upskill करना है, I want to learn around digital marketing, I want to know more about the industry, क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है। And the very first module जब हम लोगों ने start किया, that was fundamentals of digital marketing. It started off with telling me the basics of marketing जो मेरे को आज तक पता ही नहीं थी। Okay, it felt like यार I was missing out so much things. Okay, I was only going to the direct thing, जैसे मेरे को लगता कि I was always on the end line of the game जहाँ मेरे को flow से start करना था, and that was not there. And the course helped me come up in a proper flow कि where from basics and everything goes in a line. And then later on when we started into the course, we were moving towards next modules, be it for social media marketing. That is when I learned so many different things around it, जैसे कि क्या क्या चीज़ें चाहिए, be it content calendar, content plan, understanding content pillars, your audience, user persona, and lot more other things which are actually helping creators understand their audience and create content accordingly. Okay, which was not in my case. मेरे को क्या लगता था कि यार content बना दो बस हो जाएगा काम, and that is the reason I was failing. So by the end of the course, it was like I was turning into a better marketer, okay, a better social media marketer, where was I learning everything what was happening. I knew why I was failing so long. ठीक है, मैं क्यों अपना YouTube channel grow नहीं कर पाया था, because I never knew the basics around it. I never knew what is going behind, the science going behind around it. And I could do that because of the industry experts I met at My Captain. Okay, I networked with them, I learned a lot with them, and now I knew what I want to be, and I grew myself through the projects from day one which I did to day end of the course. I knew what was my growth like. I knew what captains had to say about me. I knew what my future looked like because of the course. So now after finishing the course and upskilling myself completely, not only I grew myself, but right now I'm helping other people grow as a full stack freelance digital marketer, where I'm helping people with their social media accounts, Instagram accounts, LinkedIn, etc. And that is something which I really wanted to do, and it's fun. I have clients from different countries, be it UK, US, UAE, different brands approaching me to help them up with. Right now, after upskilling myself and working with several other clients, experiencing a lot of things, I just started something of my own called SocioAce. It's a marketing agency, but at a very initial stage. I am handling with every other thing happening into it, and I really look up to it into making a big thing. All of the dilemma that I had in my past with regards to doing a business or digital marketing, I think I made a right choice there, and I really wish to thank my captain for the structured learning which they gave me to upskill myself in a field where I was really curious about.